with the integral 0 to 2. We have a definite integral here. X square root 16 minus 4 x squared dx. What form is this? Of the three forms we started with, this is of the form a squared minus u squared, isn't it? See, the constant number will be always the a part. This is of the form a squared minus u squared, where a squared is 16, means a equal to 4. U squared is 4x squared, means u equal to 2x. That's right. So, this is of the form a squared minus u squared with a equal to 4 and u equal to 2x. What is the substitution we make here? This is of the form a squared minus u squared. The substitution will be u equal to a sine theta. U equal to a sine theta. Our u is 2x. So it's a 2x equal to a sine theta. A is 4. I want you to watch this carefully. The normal substitution for this form is u equal to a sine theta. Our u is 2x. So it becomes 2x equal to a sine theta is 4 sine theta. Well, we find the differential of both sides. Alright? So, if 2x equal to 4 sine theta, then x equal to 2 sine theta, is that right? Divide by 2. And x squared is 4 sine squared theta d theta. So, our x will become 2 sine theta and x squared becomes 4 sine squared theta. And what is dx? If x equal to 2 sine theta, dx will be 2 cos theta d theta. Now we are equipped to replace everything in here. We have x equal to 2 sine theta, there you go. We have dx equal to 2 cos theta d theta. We have x squared equal to 4 sine squared theta. All these came from our substitution, 2x equal to 4 sine theta. Let's replace in this integral all these quantities. What did you get? X is replaced by 2 sine theta. Square root 16 minus 4x squared became 4 times x squared is 4 sine squared theta. Became 16 sine squared theta. And dx became 2 cos theta d theta. Simplify this. Inside the square root we can factor out as 16. Well, before we do that, because this is a definite integral, we need to replace the limits using our substitution. What is our substitution? Our substitution is 2x equal to 4 sine theta or x equal to 2 sine theta. Now, when x equal to 0, what is sine theta? When x equal to 0, sine theta also is 0. And if sine theta equal to 0, then theta will be equal to 0. Because sine of 0 is 0. That means when x equal to 0, theta will be equal to 0. That limit will remain to be 0. And when x equal to 2, alright, we have x equal to 2 sine theta. When you replace x by 2, you get 2 equal to 2 sine theta. Now, if 2 equal to 2 sine theta, it means sine theta equal to 1. If 2 sine theta equal to 2, it means sine theta equal to 1. And sine theta equal to 1 when theta is pi by 2. So our limit of integration becomes for theta from 0 to 2. You see, the advantage is once you change the limit from x values to theta values, we don't need at the end to go back to x. That exercise of using the triangle can be eliminated once you change the limits in terms of theta. That is the advantage for a definite integral. Alright, let's do that. This is now become integral 0 to 2 x square root 16 minus 4x squared dx now become integral 0 to pi by 2 sine theta square root 16 minus 16 sine squared theta times 2 cos theta d theta. And we simplify this so that we can integrate it. First of all, inside the square root, we factor out a 16. And then we have a 1 minus sine squared theta there. Is that right? 16 minus 16 sine squared theta is 16 times 1 minus sine squared theta. What is 1 minus sine squared theta equal to? 1 minus sine squared theta is cos squared theta. So we replace that quantity by cos squared theta. We have now under the square root 16 cos squared theta. 16 cos squared theta, you take the square root, become 4 cos theta. That's right. So that will be 4 sine theta cos theta times 4 cos theta d theta. And 4 times 4 is 16, we can take it out. Sine theta cos theta times cos theta becomes this. 16 comes out. Cos theta times cos theta is cos squared theta times sine theta d theta. Alright, tell me, is it a form we can integrate easily? How? By another substitution. What is that substitution? Look at the sine theta d theta. You can substitute cos theta equal to u. So substitute cos theta equal to u. Then negative sine theta d theta equal to du, or the sine theta d theta becomes negative du. So, also, when you do the substitution, always follow the limits with it. When theta equal to 0, look at the substitution. When theta equal to 0, what is cos of 0? Cos of 0 is 1. So when theta equal to 0, u equal to 1. There you go. That means this limit will now be replaced by 1 for u. When theta equal to 0, u equal to 1 from our substitution. Cos of 0 is 1. And when theta equal to pi by 2, tell me, what is cos of pi by 2? Cos of pi by 2 is 0. That means when theta is pi by 2, u will be 0. Cos of pi by 2 is 0. There you go. When theta equal to pi by 2, u equal to 0. So, our limits now become, what will be our limit? Our limit will be u equal to 1 to 0. Cos theta is u squared times negative du. So that will be, the negative comes out. Negative 16 integral 1 to 0 of u squared du. And that will be negative 16 integral u squared du is u cube over 3 from 1 to 0. The upper limit will give you 0. So that will be negative 16 times the upper limit is 0. Minus the lower limit, replace u equal to 1, that will be 1/3. Negative 16 times negative 1/3 is 16 over 3 is the value of that definite integral. A very, very interesting x plus c, and that is the result. Alright.